free posts, my favorite kind of post. Everything here has been put up in a prior post now. Everything, and a lot of these items I've had from 1 to 2 years. So they really aren't new at all. And you know how much I love collecting pieces from McKenzie Childs. There isn't too many here. They're actually a real McKenzie Child piece. We do have our little king frog. And is he not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? I got him last year on a clearance sale. And the beautiful plate, I think my daughter bought it used, and I only have one. And it looks like a lily pad, doesn't it? At least we thought it did. And it's worked out beautifully with this. And we've showed him in past posts just like you see here, because I like how it looks. Now the beautiful risers or candlestick holders, I don't think they're McKenzie Child. I think they are something that looks like McKenzie Child's. So we bought a pair of those. And this, believe it or not, is just something that I got at Home Goods 2 or 3 years ago. And it opened up, and I think it came with Easter eggs in it. But I thought it made a great bird cage, so that's what I did. I made a bird cage out of it. So nothing in here cost me anything. This was from something that held Easter eggs. The little bird and the bird nest I think I got at Dollar Tree a year ago. And of course these candlestick holders were bought a year or 2 ago, because me and my daughter are collectors of McKenzie Childs, or things that look like McKenzie Childs. And my son and my daughter-in-law got me this beautiful, beautiful tray for Christmas a year or 2 ago. And of course, it looks beautiful also with this display, don't you think? And like I keep saying, black and white is my thing. Oh my, my. And then putting the yellow in there gave it just the pop of the right color. What do you think? Oh yeah. Grandma loves decorating the cozy corner. But don't worry, we'll have something else to go and share with this. My son got me a wonderful birthday gift, and you need to stay tuned on this video and see what he got. I'm going to set it up in the cozy corner, and we'll see how you like it. Now, my birthday was quite a while back, but there's been a lot of things that have come up this year for we couldn't get together. So I just got my birthday gift from him. So I can't wait to share it with you, my dear friends. So let Grandma get it all set up in the cozy corner, and let's see this beautiful gift my son got me. Keep in mind, Grandma is all for anything to do with the garden theme. As you can see, when I usually do a display in my cozy corner, there's always plenty of flowers and hopefully a little bit of whimsy. Looks like it's getting to be tea time also. Maybe we should put a tea set up together. It's almost 11:15. I think I'm ready for a cup of tea. And then we can get busy putting another display together in the cozy corner. Well, something a little different over in the cozy corner now. My son gave me this beautiful fountain for my birthday. It was a little while back, and I've just now got around to shooting a video about it. And doesn't it look beautiful in the cozy corner? I thought it looks beautiful, doesn't it? I kept with all the yellow flowers we've been showing in the last couple of videos, but we had to add a little bit of pop of red. What do you think? Now I kept the yellow because my birds were yellow, and I thought they would look so good with yellow, but I wanted to put a little bit of red in. So happy how it turned out. Let me know what you thought. You know I love flower arrangements, and I love things to look dramatic. Now we could leave it like this, but we could also jazz it up a little. But let's first get in here and see this beautiful fountain. Has a little bit of an Asian look, don't you think? And look at the beautiful yellow birds. Isn't it beautiful? And hear the water. It's so peaceful and so wonderful. Let me know what you think. And we're going to add a little bit more to this. We want to jazz it up. You know, Grandma, she loves to go big, go big, go big. Well, I didn't think it had enough. You know, Grandma always trying to do a little bit more. So I added one rose bush on each side to add just a little more red and a little bit more. I thought it looked so much better. And then, of course, I added one here and one here also to make sure everything was balanced. Let me know what you thought. Oh, I thought it turned out so good. And I love how those beautiful yellow birds are sitting there looking at the water trickling down. It was just beautiful. What do you think? Now let's turn off one of the lights and see how it looks with lower light. Well, it isn't candlelight, but it is really mellow and just the perfect amount of light where you can enjoy and see it still, but everything looks so great. And look how it's just spinning the colors out into the room. Oh, isn't it lovely? How did you like this video? Please let me know. We love hearing what you think, and if you're happy with what we're doing. For we know what people want to see, for we can figure out what displays you want to see more of. Now, keep in mind, I have a very tiny house, and you're probably never going to see a home tour on this channel, but I can still put one little corner, something beautiful to share, like the cozy corner. Just perfect, is it not, for something beautiful and romantic. Bye-bye for now. Thank you for all your love and support. See you in the next video. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie.